Right, Lamai, these two papers are there in the paper book. Okay. If you have the paper book, go to the paper book. In the paper book, you can see these two papers. Okay, but some of the new students don't have the don't have the papers. Okay, therefore I send you the papers today. Okay, if you have the paper book, no need to get the print out of this paper. Okay, right. And I was unable to send you the papers right now. No one informed me to send the papers. Therefore, I was unable to send you the papers early. But anyway, quickly we will discuss these two papers right now. And then we have 2 days. We have 2 days. 2 days. Right. Within those 2 days, we will discuss these two papers. Normally, to cover grade 10 syllabus, it takes some time. Okay, in grade 10, we have 9 accounting lessons and 3 theory lessons. Therefore, to complete those 9 accounting lessons, it takes some time. But grade 11 session, grade 11 syllabus, I think we will be able to cover within 6 or 7 months. Okay, grade 11 syllabus quickly will complete. Quickly will complete, and then we can start papers. But normally to complete grade 10 syllabus, it takes some time. Okay, nothing to do. Right. Right, Lamai will discuss the paper. Lamai, at first we will discuss that Northwestern Province 2020 paper. Okay, then. Okay, Lamai. At first we will discuss Northwestern Province 2020 paper. Is it okay? Lamai? Lamai, which paper do you want to discuss at first? That Northwestern Province paper? I can discuss a Central Province paper or Northwestern Province paper. Which one do you want to discuss at first?
Northwestern.
Sir, we will discuss the Northwestern Province.
Northwestern provinces paper is okay.
Right. 2020 paper, right. Now, if you have the printed copy, now it is best, huh? It is easy to do something if you have the paper, printed paper. If you don't have the printed paper, now next day try to get print out. Right. Now, we'll discuss Northwestern Province paper at first, huh? This paper. Right. Right. Now, look at the paper. I need quick answers. We can't spend much time now. I need quick answers. Quickly give me answers. Okay, quickly complete.
Excuse me.
Huh?
Sir, in the paper book, we have only Northwestern Province 2020 paper. 2019 paper.
Huh?
We have it in the book. Also, we have the 2020 paper.
Yes, we have so.
Right. In the paper book, I have. I think I have included this paper.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. Check the paper book. Both papers are there in the paper. Okay, the memory.
Fine, sir. I found it now.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
The
Thank
paper,
you.
one paper. Please check the last papers of the paper. Last papers, last few papers, last few papers. We will get the papers. Fine, fine. Right, now quickly we will discuss. Quickly we will discuss. Right. I did quick answers. Inuki paper harata inuki.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Right. Now first time. I did quick answers. Now quickly open the mic and give me answers. I did see easy. Right. Question number one. From the birth to death, so many goods and services. Now with this paper, I will give you some revision. Okay. Right. From birth to death, so many goods and services are required to exist human beings. An example for service businesses. Now, what's answer for the question number one?
Post office.
Post
Post
office.
office.
Yes, person is answer. Post office is answer. Post office, Post office. Person is answer. Right. Now, question number two. Various factors of productions are required to commence a business. Select the answer which is related to factors of production. Capital. Now, what's answer for the question number two?
Cash, machinery, building.
Gas, machinery, buildings.
Right. Person is answer. Then first one. Yes, now my person is answer. First one. Person is answer. Right. Question number three. The correct definition for the factors of production of land. The correct definition for the land.
All resources generated from the nature.
Right. All the resources generated from, yes, right. Now my fourth one is answer. Fourth one is answer. Fourth one. Right. Look at the question number 4. What is mean by the stakeholders of a business? Now what's answer? Question number 4.
The parties who are interested
Are
in
interested in businesses.
Yes, yes. Now my fourth one is answer. The parties who are interested in business activities. Right. Question number 5. Financial institutions are interested in businesses.
to collect loans given.
Loans given.
Yes, yes, yes. Right. Now my to collect loans given. Fourth, third one is answer. Third one. Third one. Third one is answer. Right. Question number 6. On what factors managers are interested of business of in the business? Now what's the answer for the question number 6?
The second one.
Implementing business plans
appropriately.
appropriately.
Yes, yes. Now my second one is answer. Now I quickly go to the patent textbook. Okay, with this paper discussion, we will revise our knowledge. Quickly go to patent textbook. Stakeholders. I go to stakeholders. Page number 11. Page number 11. Page number 11. Right, now I quickly go to page number 11. Quickly go to page number 11. Page number 11. Right. Stakeholders. Stakeholders. Now I stakeholders expect different return from the business organization. Stakeholders expect different thing from the business organization. Right. Now these are the different things expected by stakeholders from the business organization. Here, owners, security of investment, earning a sufficient profit, growth of the business operation in the future. My expectation of owners from the business. Managers are taking decisions required to achieve the objective. And then implementing those decisions. Promotion and job satisfaction. Okay, right. Then over here, answer is your answer is correct. Right? Here, one of the objective of manager is implementing business plans properly. Yeah. Okay. Right. Now please get the textbook. Look at the textbook with me. Right. Next one. Right. Question number 7. Right. Lamai. The individual taking decisions to direct the resources of the business. Lamai,
Owners.
what's the answer?
Managers.
Huh?
Owners.
Managers.
Individual taking decisions to direct the resources of the business.
Owners.
Individual taking decisions.
Owners.
Managers.
Lamai, managers. Here. Again, look at the textbook. Page number 11, grade 10 textbook, page number 11. Lamai, taking decisions. Managers take decisions to achieve objectives, to achieve business objectives. Managers. Okay, right there, Lamai. To achieve objective of owner. To achieve objective of owner, target of owners appoint managers. And then managers take decisions to achieve owner's objective. Then managers decisions, they take decisions and they implement decisions. And then activities of the business organization performed by employees. Managers assign tasks to employees. Then assigned tasks are implemented by managers. Sorry, employees. Okay, right. Answer is managers. Right. So my question number 8. The parties require raw material and other services to the business is known as. So what's the answer for the question number 8?
Suppliers.
Supplies. Right. Question number 9. The proportion of income that individual keep without spending on consumption, that is called, what is called?
Savings.
Yes, savings. Very good, savings. Lamai, savings belongs to economic environment. Then Lamai, our business environment, we can classify business environment, basically we can classify into 2. Business environment, basically we can categorize into 2. Business environment, internal environment and external environment. By studying internal environment, we can identify strengths and weaknesses. Strength and weaknesses. Strength, what are the strengths? Having enough capital, adequate capital, experience of employees, having
knowledge of the business.
business. Okay, and then weaknesses, inexperience of employees, low quality raw material, taking failed decisions, weakness of the business. And then by studying external environment, we can identify opportunities and threats. Government reduced bank loan interest. Or let's say implementing low interest loan schemes. Opportunities for the business, opportunities. Okay. Favorable rules and regulations, opportunities for the business, opportunities. What are the threats? What are the threats for the business organization? Increasing interest rate, increasing foreign exchange rate. Okay. Political issues, threats for the business organization, threats for the business. Inflation, yes, very good. Inflation. Then here, savings belongs to economic environment. Savings belongs to economic environment. Under external environment, we have learned on the external environment, we have learned customers, suppliers, competitors, and then we have discussed political environment. Under political environment, we need to learn. Under political environment, we need to learn government actions and government policies influence for business activities. Government actions and government actions as well as government policies influence for business activities. There are two examples in the textbook. What are the two examples? Infrastructure development policy, fiscal policy. Infrastructure, what are the infrastructures? Highways, roads, airport,
Hospitals.
Harbor.
yes, infrastructure facilities. Sometimes examiner may ask you to write two infrastructure facilities. Okay? Infrastructure facilities means basic facilities in a country. And then fiscal policy. Fiscal policy discuss government income and government expenses. How to earn government income, how to spend government income. Fiscal policy. And then another one is legal environment. Yes, legal environment. Under legal environment, there are three requirements of legal environment. There are three requirements to impose laws and regulations by the government. There are three requirements. What are they?
Protect the
Government
domestic manufacturing.
regulations for what? To protect customers, to protect local business community and local business and community, and to protect environment.
Domestic manufacturers.
Domestic manufacturers.
Yes, domestic manufacturers,
Environment.
and then, to protect environment. Those are the objectives of legal environment. And then there are some laws discussed in the nether. What are the laws? Consumer Affairs Authority Act number 9 of 2003, and then Shop and Office
Companies Act
Employees Act.
number 7 of 2007.
Yes, Companies Act number 7 of 2007, and then Shop and Office Employees Act number
14
14
of
of 1954.
yes, number 14 of 1954. Right, nether. Some of the laws, and government has established some of the organizations to implement those laws. Okay, right, nether, right. And then under economic environment, what we discuss? Economic factors we discuss. Under economic environment, we discuss inflation. Nether. What are the elements of economic environment? Inflation.
Interest rate.
And then
Interest rate.
yes, right, interest rate. And then another one?
Foreign exchange rate.
Yes, foreign exchange rate.
Foreign exchange
rate. And then
International relations.
yes, international relations. International relations. And then
Income
another one?
distribution.
Income distribution. Yes, income distribution.
Savings.
Yes, savings. I think we have 7.
Level
Yes.
of employment.
Yes, level of employment. Level of employment. Level of employment. Right. Some of the things we need to learn under economic environment. Right. And then under technological environment, we discuss some technological improvements, influence of business activities. Technological improvement. And then under global environment, we need to learn globalization. Globalization. Globalization means what? Globalization is
Mutual
Mutual relationship
among countries in terms of
social,
economic, social, and cultural
cultural
dimensions.
dimensions.
right. Integration among countries in social, economic, and cultural dimensions. Interconnection among countries in social, economic, and cultural activities. Through cultural, economic, and social activities, countries in the world linked together. Then that is called globalization. The main reason for the globalization is development in information and communication technology. Okay, right. Enough. Right. We'll go to the paper. Look at the paper. Look at the paper. Question number 10. What's the answer for the question number 10? Select the answer which is related to economic environment. Now, what's the answer for the question number 10?
Fourth one.
Fourth one. Any other answer? Yes, Lamai. Demand for the land has increased significantly as a result of low bank interest. Yes, Lamai, first one, okay. bank interest belongs to economic environment. Second one, the media was informed on the new government budget policies. No, that is belongs to political environment. See, due to current epidemic has seen fluctuations in the exchange rate. Yes, we can take third one. See, okay. A new act on the Department of Local Industries is to be introduced. No. A and C, yes, fourth one is answer. Answer is fourth one. Interest rate, exchange rate. Fourth one is answer. Right. Right. Now I look at the question number 11. At present, most commercial banks have provided mobile banking facilities to their customers. This service is known as. Now, what's the answer to the question number 11?
Telebanking.
Telebanking.
Yes, telebanking services. Telebanking. Yes. Now, my fourth one is answer. Neither. Mobile banking facilities are called telebanking services. Telebanking services. Huh? Now, in which case telebanking services are there in your textbook? Telebanking services, what's the page number? Page number 145. Yes, very good, Inuki. Page number 145 of the textbook. Look at the page number 145. In the page, you can see telebanking services and telebanking. Right. Question number 12. Question number 12. Select the strength and opportunity of the business. What's the answer for the question number 12?
Last one.
Last one.
Second one.
Second one. Strength and opportunity. Strength, experience of managers. Lama strength for the business. Yes. Strength, experience of managers. B, providing tax incentives of the government. Lama one of the opportunity. Yes, that is also correct. That is correct. A and B, we can take A and B. Lama, look at the C. Changes in lifestyle of consumers. That is also one of the opportunity. We can take A, B, or A, C. T, not using specialized production methods. Right. Lama, A and C. There is no answer for A and B. Therefore, Lama, answer is A and C. Second one is answer. Second one is answer. Yes, Sinuki correct. Nuki correct. Right. Right. Question number 13. Select the business organization which is having the characteristics of democratic control. Am I what's answer for the question number 14? No, sorry. Question number 13.
Cooperative societies.
Cooperative societies.
Himaya, what's answer? Himaya.
Cooperative societies.
Yes. Right. Lamai, yes, cooperative. Lamai, what do you mean by democratic control? Democratic control means what? Lamai,
Controlled by the votes.
Yes. Democratic control means, Lamai, each member, normally to open a cooperative society, 10 members are required. To start a cooperative society, it requires 10 members. 10 members. Okay, it requires 10 members. 10 members. Then Lamai, minimum 10 members are required to start a cooperative society. And then each member receive one vote. One vote. Lamai, whether you invested 1 million, 2 million, 10,000, 12,000, Lamai, without considering the invested amount, invested cash, invested amount of money, each member receive one vote. Sometimes, for this business, person A invested 1 million, person B invested 50 million. Without considering the invested amount of money, each member receive one vote. Each member receive one vote. Then, using this voting power, in Sri Lanka also, we receive one vote. Everyone receive one vote. The same thing applied to a cooperative society as well. And then using this voting power, using this one vote, you can appoint directors to the business. Directors. You can appoint directors. And then these directors, you can appoint directors to manage the cooperative society. And then these directors control the business organization with the consent of majority, with the agreement of majority. Let's say with the consent of majority means, let's say they have appointed 5 directors. 5 directors. Then to take a decision in the cooperative society, out of these 5, 3 members need to agree. 3 members need to agree. Members are minimum agree. Majority need to take a decision. That is the idea of democratic control. Democratic control, independent organization, the cooperative society. Okay, a democratic organization means that each member receive one vote. Using the voting power, they can appoint directors. Directors take decisions with the consent of majority. Consent means with the agreement of majority. Okay, right. Then students, what are the other characteristics of cooperative society? You can refer my short note. I gave you a valuable short note. You can refer in that short note. I have included all the things as a summary. All the things as a summary. Now, democratic control, voluntary and open membership, collective ownership of members, common expectation and needs. Characteristics of cooperative society. Sometimes examiner. Okay, this time provisional paper may ask you to write down, right? 2 characteristics of a cooperative society. Democratic control, common expectations and need, voluntary and open membership, okay, collective ownership of members. Okay, right, enough. Right. Then now, what is the answer for the question number 13? Answer for the question number 13 is cooperative society. Yeah. Right. Now I look at the question 14. Question 14. Select the type of business organization which is having legal personality. What's the answer for the question number 14?
Incorporated company.
Yes, this also correct. Incorporated company. Okay, the business organization having legal personality is incorporated company. Right. Person is answer. Very good. The person is answer. Right. Question 15. By registering a sole proprietorship, it can be achieved. Now, what's answer for question 15?
An identity and recognition.
Right. Right. Yes. Answer is correct. Right. Now, quickly we will go to textbook. Quickly we will look at the advantages of registering a sole proprietorship business organization. Go to page number 42 of your textbook. 42. Now go to 42. Textbook question number 42. Registration of sole proprietorship.
Sir, excuse me, what is the answer for the 15th question? I just got disconnected.
15th question. Second one is the answer. Second one. Right. Then here, advantages of registering a business name. Provide an identity and recognition. Provide an ownership of the business name. Provide qualification to obtain incentives given by the government. And the last one is easy to obtain loans. Right there. Advantages of registering a sole proprietorship business organization. Right, enough. Right. Question 16, what's the answer? Question 16, the institution which should be gone to register a sole proprietorship business is. What's the answer for the question 16?
Third one.
Lamai, the main organization is
Division
here.
of Secretariat Office.
Yes, Division Secretary Office. Okay, you need to provide answer for the Division Secretary Office. Okay, I think before 2 or 3 months, I checked this answer with the Kalani Education Zone. Okay, I know one of the sir also told me to teach students to it has Division Secretary Office. But officer can give it Division Secretary Office can make it the now, if Division Secretary Office is not there, better write down relevant provincial council. Okay, otherwise, now better to write down at first Division Secretary Office. If the task is not there, you can select relevant provincial council. Okay, the clear. But now in the textbook we can see relevant provincial council, but you need to write down the institutions as Division Secretary Office. Okay, but now I got 2022, 2022, 23, yes, 2023, yes, Lamai, 2020, no, Lamai, 2022 provincial, 2022 Western Province, last term test paper, yes, 2022 Western Province last term test paper. In that paper, there was a question like this. Okay, one of the person is in Panora. One of the person is in Panora. Okay, now Western Province 2022 last term test paper. Okay, grade 11 last term test paper. A person is in Panora. If he's in Panora, in which provincial council that he need to register his business organization. ඒක අපිට දෙන්න ළමයි යයිනේ පාඩු කරලා. යා මොන provincial council එකේද business එක register කරන්න. In which provincial council he need to register his sole proprietorship business if he is in Panora. If that person is in Panora, in which provincial council he need to register his sole proprietorship business organization. Then answer is Western Province. Western Province. Okay. But normally if examiner asks you to write down the institution, better write down Division Secretary Office. Okay. If Division Secretary Office is not there, when you're selecting answers, better write down Provincial Council. Okay, better write down Provincial Council. Okay, clear? Right, right. In Colombia, there's a separate office. That office is business and registration office. Okay, in some of the areas in Colombo, they need to register their sole proprietorship business organization in business and registration office. Okay, no need to go to Division Secretary Office, business and registration office. But only few areas in Colombo and in other areas in the country, through the Division Secretary Office, you can get the registration of your sole proprietorship business organization. And therefore, it is better to write down. If examiner asks you to write down Division Secretary Office. Okay, right. Right. Now, question number 17. Question number 17. Match the column X and X with Y. What's the answer for question number 17?
First one.
First one.
First one. Yes, our first one is answer. Asset account, equipment. Liability account, creditors account. Equity account, drawings account. Income account, Sales, yes, yes. Lamai, first one is answer. First one is answer. Question number 17, first one is answer. Okay, right. Right. Look at the question number 18. Select the transaction which is effected to change the owner's equity. Lamai, first answer question number 18.
Fourth one.
Yes, Lamai. Yes, fourth one is answer. If you want to explain a question again, please send me a message. If someone wants to explain a question again, please send me a message, huh? Please send me a message. Right. Yes, Lamai, answer is fourth one. Right, Lamai, do you want to explain this one? Question number 18. Alright, Lamai, remember. Lamai, answer for the question number 18. Ask for the question number 18. Ask for the question number 18. Answer the question number 18. Here, select the transaction which is affected to change the owner's equity. Basic accounting equation is what? Assets of the business equal to equity and liability. Basic accounting equation. Then here, assets of the business organization equal to equity and liability. Right. Transaction number 1. Purchase taste goods 20,000 on cash basis. If business purchase 20,000 stocks on cash basis, cash of the business decreased by 20,000. Cash decreased by 20,000. Stock increased by 20,000. Stock increased by 20,000. No impact to equity. No impact to equity. Second one, pay to creditors 10,000. Then cash minus 10,000. Liability minus 10,000. No impact to equity. No impact to equity. No impact to equity. And then amount 75,000. Paragraph cash plus 75,000. Liability plus 7,000. No impact to so no impact to equity. Fourth one, credit sales of trade goods 100,000, which costs 80,000. Credit sales of trade goods 100,000, which costs 8,000. Then fourth one, stock decrease by 80,000. Stock decrease, debtors of the stock decrease. Stock. Debtors of business increase by 100,000. Debtors, receivable. And then equity plus 20,000. Equity. Profit plus equity. Profit plus equity. The transaction that effected to change the owner's equities. Fourth one is answer. Fourth one is answer. Okay, then fourth one is answer. Right. Right, Lamai. Look at the question number 90. Look at the question number 90. It is not a characteristic of an asset. Lamai, what is the answer for the question number 90?
Having a current obligation.
90, what's the answer? Yes, yes,
Having a
Lamai, third one
current
is answer.
obligation.
Yes, third one is answer. Having a current obligation, not the characteristics of an asset. Yes, yes. Third one is answer. Yes, Inoki correct. Inoki correct. Right. Lamai, question number 20. The accounting equation of Thineth business at a specified day is as follows. Asset equal equals liability 150, 375, 175. After paying 10,000 Thineth's personal telephone bill, the accounting equation is. What is the answer for the question number 20?
First one.
Huh?
The first one.
Right. We'll check. Right. Lamai, what about others? Answer for the question number 25. Venuja, what's the answer? Venuja.
Okay, firstly, okay. So we know. Okay, equity is the money. So since equity is the money, okay, liabilities are same. So the answer is 3 or 2.
Right.
Yeah, 2. third one.
Third one, right. Naditi was answer for the question of 20. Yes, Sanjali correct. Madesh correct, right. Tamai, here. Question 20. Assets of the business equal to equity plus liability. Accounting equation is assets 550 equal to equity 375, liability 175. After paying 10,000, Tandu's personal telephone bill. Tandu owner of the business. After paying owner's expense, cash decreased by 10,000. And then owner's personal expense is drawings 10,000 drawings. It means owner withdrew 10,000 of the business. Drawings. Equity decreased by 10,000. Then what's answer? Assets 540, equity 365, liability no change. Yes. Third one is answer. Third one is answer. Okay. Third one is answer. All right. Now I look at the question number 21. Right. Select the transaction for the following double end. Bank loan account debit 50,000, cash account right. Now I was answer for the question 21.
Paid bank loan installment rupees 50,000.
Second one.
Second one.
Yes, second one is answer. Second one is answer. Paid bank loan installment 50,000. Yes, second one is answer. Yes, Madesh correct. You correct. Right. Question number 22. Match the column A with column B. Now what's answer for the question number 22?
Second one.
Second one.
Second one.
Yes, now second one is our second one. Second one. Okay. For the cash book, receipt of payment voucher. General voucher. Purchase journal, purchase invoice. Petty cash book, petty cash payment voucher. Yes, now second one is answer. Second one, yes, second one is answer. Second one. Second. Right. Look at the question number 23. Received dividend, not dividend, not divided. Dividend income, dividend. Right. Right. Now dividend means dividend. What do you mean by dividend? Now dividend means, let's say like this. Let's say issue to investor 50 million in Sampath Bank PLCs to purchase Sampath Bank shares. Issue to investor 50 million rupees to purchase Sampath Bank shares of the Sampath Bank. Then later, Sampath Bank will pay issue to their profit. The profit is called dividend. Okay, Sampath Bank, one of the company, then that company pay, later they pay profit. That profit is called dividend. Okay, distribution of profit by a company That is called dividend. Okay. A portion of a profit. Profit take a portion. A portion of the profit can be known as dividend. Okay. In grade 11, last chapter you can learn dividend. Okay, here. What's the answer for the question 23? Receive dividend income of 3,000 to the business. Receive 3,000 income to the business. Say the type of account which should be recorded in the above transaction. Now, what's the answer for the question 23?
Asset and income.
Yes, very good, very good. Assets and income. Assets and income. Cash book debit, dividend income account credit. Now, we can't say it as equity account. Yes, income belongs to equity, profit belongs to equity, but basically transaction and events we can categorize into assets, liability, equity, income and expenses. Here, cash book debit 3,000, investment dividend income account credit. Percentage answer first. Based on the double entry method, percentage answer. Yes, this is correct, right? 24. Now, what's the answer for the question 24?
First
What
one.
is the document used to record the purchasing of a motor vehicle on credit basis? Now, what's the answer for the question 24?
First one.
First one. Now, anyone else?
Fourth one.
Voucher.
Yes, my answer is what? Look at the chart. One day I gave
General
you.
journal. General journal.
Yes. Primary book is general journal. Then in the general journal, source document is what? Journal
General
voucher.
voucher.
Journal voucher. Here, we need to take it as voucher. But here, please write down for the fourth answer, journal voucher. Journal voucher. Write down journal voucher. Then answer is fourth. It will have fourth one is voucher. Journal voucher. Then purchase of non-current assets. Purchase of long-term assets on credit basis. We record in general journal. Look at the map. I gave you a map. I have included that map to the short note also. Look at that map. In that map, I have included. In the purchasing, we do purchasing to record only credit purchase of stocks. Okay. The purchase of stock we can record in the purchase one.
Okay.
Okay, otherwise we can record the give me 1 minute, Lamai. Lamai, already I have gave you this map. Look at the writing book. May fix asset. Purchase on credit basis, general journal. The source document is what? General voucher. Okay, right. 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 Now I answer for the question 25. What's the answer for the question 25? Drawings account is related to
Equity account.
Equity account.
yes, equity account. Drawings account belongs to equity account. Equity account. Right. Right. Yes. Now question number right that look at the question number 26. Look at the question number 26. Select the correct statement related to primary books. What's the answer for the question 26?
Third one.
Third one.
Yes, Lamai. Credit purchase of machine for the use of the business is recorded in journal. Yes, very good. Third one is answer. Third one is answer. Third one is answer. Okay, right. If you want to explain someone in detail, something in detail, please send me a message. Huh? Yes, third one is answer. Credit purchase of machine for the use of the business is recorded in general journal. Yes. Source document is journal voucher. Source document is journal voucher. Right. Look at the question 27. An electrical manufacturing business purchases a machine on credit for the use of the business. The source document for the above transaction. What's the answer for the question 27?
Journal voucher.
Yes, very good. Journal voucher. Journal voucher is source document. This transaction they need to record in
Journal
general.
voucher?
General journal.
Yes, general journal. They need to record this transaction in the general journal and then general voucher is a source document. Okay, right. Now I answer for the question number 28. The
Third
creditor
one.
is a ledger. Creditor's account of the ledger is what?
Liability account.
Liability account and income.
Interest received account
Third
is
one?
yes.
And
Now my third
income.
one is answer. Yes, and income. Yes. Third one is answer. Question 28. Third one is answer. Right. Yes, this was not correct. Right. Question 29. The money withdrawal by the owner for his personal use is recorded in the books of accounts of the business as. Now, I must ask for the question 29. Now, this type of questions will not be tested from you, but to get some idea, I will explain. Now, here answer is business entity concept. Normally, syllabus, no need to teach you regarding business entity concept. Okay, but here they have included for this paper. Now, my business entity concept means, in O level, under O level cost subject, we need to discuss two accounting concepts. In advanced level, in advanced level under commerce subject, in advanced level, we need to discuss 13 accounting concepts. Out of these 13 accounting concepts, in O level, we need to discuss one, normally one. But here they have included another accounting concept. Then, let's say we need to discuss two accounting concepts. Two. One of the accounting concepts we need to discuss with grade level. Can you see the board? This is can you see the board?
Yes, sir, can see.
Right. One of the concepts we can discuss in grade 11. That one is grade 11 chapter 5. That is called approval concept. Approval concept. Here, based on this question, another one is business entity concept. Business entity concept is in accounting we consider business organization and owner as separate parties. In accounting we consider business organization as a separate organization, owner as a separate party. They say like this. They consider business owner as an external party. Therefore, if owner invested something to the business, if owner provided 1 million to the business, they need to record. Introduction of capital by the owner need to record. If owner withdrew money or goods, the business need to record. Why? Business consider owner as a separate part. Then the accounting concept is business entity concept. We consider business organization as a separate entity from its owner. Okay, we consider business as a separate party. Owner okay, from the owner. Separate party. Okay, the answer is please. Second one is answer. Okay, business entity concept. On an accounting entity concept. Now, 29 second one is answer. 29 second one. Now, I no need to worry about that question. That entity concept is not there in the textbook. Right, Lamai, right. We'll discuss question number 30. After question number 30, we'll take a break. We'll take a break. Right, Lamai, what is the answer for the question number 30?
First one.
First one, right. And then what's the answer for the question number 30? Lamai, what's the answer? Second one. Question number 29, second one. Question number 29, second one. Right. Right. Lamai, what's the answer for the question number 30 now? Answer for the question number 30.
First one.
Second one.
Second one.
Second one.
Here, Lamai, look at this one. Petty cash book. Petty cash. After this question, we'll take a break. We'll take a break. But no need to stop the class at 10 o'clock. Okay, we'll take another 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Right. Now, I answer for the question number 30. Here, on 1st January 2020, petty cash share of Ravi business has 250. Now, I went a petty cash account. Because now, I opening balance 1st January 250. 250 opening cash petty cash balance. And then on that day, he received 2,750 from the main cash. From the main cash, he received 2,750. 2,750 from the main cash. And then, this is my opening balance 250, he received 2,750. It means that definitely petty cash interest is how much? 3,000. Opening balance 250. Main cash repaid 2,750. Definitely, interest amount is 2,750. And January month, total petty cash expense is 2,800. Petty cash expenses. And then here, what's the answer? Petty cash interest of the railway business 3,000. 3,000. Now here answer is how much? 3,000. Now my answer is 3,000. Petty cash interest is 3,000. Clear? Now is it clear? Now I clear.
Yes, sir.
Right there. Now I the remaining balance 250. Main cash paid him 2,750. It means to increase right now balance available with the petty cash 3,000. Balance available with the petty cash now 3,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very right. Right. Tamai, if you haven't completed 31 to 40, complete now. We'll take a break, 10 minutes break. Now time is 9:10. We'll start again 9:20. We'll take 10 minutes break. I need to get dinner. Within 10 minutes, I will take the dinner. If you haven't done, please complete this balance questions. Okay, right. Now 10 minutes break. We'll start again at 9:20. 10 minutes. Right. Lamai, what is the answer for the question number 31? Look at the question number 31. Following transaction extracted from the Shehan's furniture shop. Select the transaction which is recorded in purchase journal. Lamai, what's the answer for the question number 31?
Second one.
Second one.
Third one.
Anyone else? Right, Lamai. Right, receiving different type of answers, right? Here, following transaction extracted from the Sahan's furniture shop. Sahan has a furniture shop. Sahan has a furniture shop. Then Sahan purchase furnitures on cash basis or on credit basis. Sahan purchase and sell furniture. Here, transaction which is recorded in the purchase. Now, what is recorded in purchase journal? In the purchase journal, we need to record stocks purchased on credit basis. In the Sahan's business, what are the stocks? Furniture. Then furniture purchased on credit basis, we need to record in purchase journal. Now, purchase of motor vehicle we can't record. Purchase of motor vehicle on credit basis need to record in general journal. Assets. Therefore, purchase of non-current assets on credit basis need to be recorded in general journal. Okay, then first answer for the question number 31. Second one, purchase furniture 250,000 on credit basis. Second one is answer. Is it clear? Okay, right. Right. Now my question number 33. What's 32? The total of the sales journal is. What's answer for the 32?
Third one.
Right. What about others? 32. What's answer? Ramani? Yes, third one is answer. Third one. Credited to sales account. Total of the sales journal credited to sales account. Yes, that is correct. Now, individual balances of sales journal. Let's say like this. What is the source document of the sales journal? Sales invoice, huh? Source document, sales invoice. Now, let's say this is the sales journal. Sales journal. Date, invoice number, and then my customer amount of total, and then I here. If you sold stocks to A, let's say business organization sold 10,000 stock to ISTA. Then now ISTA account, right here ISTA, sales to ISTA 10,000. Then ISTA account debit. ISTA account debit. Individual balances is customer account debit. Business organization sold 15,000 stocks to Monali. Then Monali account debit. I need to collect from Monali. Monali debit 15,000. And then at the end of the period, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, total amount of the sales journal, 25,000 credit to sales account. Credit to sales account. Sales account credit 25,000. Sales account credit 25,000. Okay, right? 25,000 credit. Right. Then sales journal total amount credit to sales account. Sales account credit. Individual debtors account debit. Individual debtors account debit. Total amount sales account. Come here. ISTA debit 10,000 sales. Monali debit 15,000 sales. And then here sales account credit 25,000 debtors. Okay, clear the right. Okay, Madilya. Python clear, Python.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Madesh, K, Madesh. Right. A primate book which is having narration. 33. What is the answer for the question number 33?
General journal.
Second one.
Yes. Yes, the second one is answer. General journal, na? General journal. Second one is the answer. Right, okay. Okay, yes, right. This is now right. 34. 34. Select the answer which is having the item included in the bank reconciliation statement. Damai, what's the answer for the question number 34?
Second one.
Third one.
Third one,
Third.
right.
Second one.
Second one. And then, what about others?
Third one.
Third one. What about Yasidu? What's the answer, Yasidu?
Second one.
Harun, answer, Harun.
Second one.
Sarah,
Second one. Sorry, third one.
right. Now I mean, bear reconciliation statement which is having the item included, right? Say the answer which is having the item included in the bear reconciliation. Bear reconciliation we have discussed. A to Z we have discussed bear reconciliation. A to Z. In the tune, Tamai, please recheck question number 3 and 4. Question number 3 and 4. Through the question number 3 and 4, I gave you a comprehensive idea regarding bear reconciliation. Please, okay, redo question number 3 and 4. Extremely important for your exam. Right. Anyway, I will revise your knowledge. At first, if examiner gave you bank statement, bank statement prepared by whom? By bank, commercial bank. If examiner provided you bank statement, then you need to cross check bank account and bank statement. Bank statement prepared by the commercial bank. Okay, first you need to cross check, and then you need to identify unpercentage check, unrealized check, direct debtor remittances, okay, standing order payment, bank charges. Okay, right. Fine. Let's say after I know that you need to cross check bank account and bank statement, and then after checking bank account and bank statement, you need to prepare adjusted bank account. And then bank reconciliation statement. Adjusted bank account, let's say opening balance 50,000. Direct debtor remittances, you need to debit. Direct debtor remittances, direct debtor remittances debtors, let's say 10,000. You need to debit. Adjusted bank account debit, debtor account credit. Debtor account credit. Dividend income received to the bank. Dividend income, let's say dividend income 5,000. Adjusted bank account debit, dividend income account credit. And then standing order payment for insurance. You haven't recorded. Standing order payment for insurance. Let's say insurance 1,000 you need to credit. Unrecorded bank charges. Let's say another 1,000 bank charges. Bank charges 1,000 you need to credit. Then remaining balance how much? In the cash book 50,000, 10,000, 60, 65,000. 65,000. 65,000 minus 2,000, 63,000. Balance carried out 63,000. And then balance brought forward 63,000. Okay, balance brought forward 63,000. PBF. 63,000 bank balance brought forward. And then here for the bank reconciliation statement. Here you need to transfer balance as per adjusted bank. How much? 63,000. And then you need to add back unpresented check. Let's say unpresented check 5,000 and 2,000. Unpresented check. Then 7,000 you need to add back. 70,000. And then from this amount you need to deduct unrealized check. Unrealized check you need to minus. Let's say 2,000 and 3,000. Unrealized check is 5,000. 70,000 minus 5,000, 65,000. Balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement. Okay, balance as per bank statement. Unpresented check plus unrealized check minus. Okay. Alright. We prepare bad reconciliation of a business organization to provide reason for the difference between adjusted bank account and bank statement received to the business. To provide reasons for the difference between adjusted bank balance and bank statement balance. We prepare bank reconciliation statement. Through the bank reconciliation statement, we can provide reasons to the top management of the business. Top management of the business. These are the reasons for the difference. These are the reasons. Unpresented check and unrealized check. Clear? Okay, right. So then what's the answer for the question number 34? What's the answer for the question number 34? Second one is answer. Issued but unpresented checks, deposited but unrealized check. Second one is answer. Second one. Right. Now I look at the question number 35. What is the answer for the question number 35? Lasita is a debtor. Has deposited 15,000 of the bank account of Pasido's business. In this reason, now Lasita is a debtor. Has deposited 15,000 of the bank account of Pasido business. In this season, what is the answer for the question number 35?
Bank account is increased than the balance of the bank statement.
Right. And then
Second one.
the second one. Right. And then others. What's the answer for the question number 35?
First one.
First one. Right. Hirodya, what's the answer? Hirodya. Himaya, what's the answer? Himaya, Hasid.
First one.
First one. Pavitran, what's the answer? Pavitran.
Second one.
Second one, right. Now 35. Here, Lasit is a debtor. Debtor of Pasido's business. Lasit is a debtor of a Pasido business, of the Pasido business organization. And Pasido directly deposited 15,000 in the bank account of the Pasido business. Debtor deposited 15,000 in the bank account of the positive business. Lamai, positive business. Positive bank account, positive business. Positive business. Let's say Lamai, let's say bank account. Let's say Lamai, for example, bank account opening balance is 10,000. Bank account opening balance is 10,000. 10,000 opening balance. And then Pasinu, let's say Pasinu maintain his savings account in Sampath Bank. So sorry, Pasinu maintain his current account in Sampath Bank, current account in Sampath Bank. Then students, then Sampath Bank, bank statement of Sampath Bank. Now my bank statement maintained by the Sampath Bank. Right. Let's say debit credit balance. We discussed the method of preparing bank statement by the bank. In detail, we have discussed. Right, please again go through question number 3 and 4. Right, then here opening balance is, let's say, 10,000. Opening balance is 10,000. Opening balance is equal. In the business opening balance 10,000. In the bank statement opening balance is 10,000. Look at the question again. Passenger deposited 15,000 in bank account. Bank account, it is not this bank account. Passenger deposited means he deposited in Sampath Bank. Let's say through the ATM machine. Passenger deposited 15,000 in Sampath Bank current account. Now he can't deposit 15,000 in Passenger business bank account. He can't come to the he can't access to the Passenger bank account. Now he can't access to Passenger's bank account. This is a bank account maintained by the Passenger business. This is a bank account maintained by the Sampath Bank on behalf of Passenger. A debtor deposited 15,000 in Passenger's bank account. Cash deposit. Cash deposit. Let's say direct remittances. Let's say direct remittances. Direct remittances. Directly deposited. Bank current account credit. Current account credit. Bank statement credit. Balance available now how much? 10,000 plus 15,000. Balance is 25,000 now. Balance is 25,000. Balance is 25,000. Then what's the answer here? First one, the balance of the bank statement is increased. Then the balance of the bank account. Yes, my first one is answer. First one is answer. Balance of the bank statement is increased. Then the bank account balance. My first one is answer. First one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Panora, is it clear, Panora?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Right. Question 35, okay, right. Now, look at the question 36. What's answer for the question 36? The correct double entry to record the discount allowed of a business is. Correct double entry, am I not correct? Correct double entry to record the discount allowed of a business is. What's the answer for the question 36?
First one.
Third one.
Third one.
Third one.
First one.
First one. Right, what about others? Discount allowed, how to record discount allowed? Huh?
First one.
First one, right. Pavitra, what's the answer of the question 36? Pavitra. discount allowed. Discounts further, basically discounts we can divide into two. Cash discount and trade discount. Trade discounts we can record. Only on the invoice or somewhere trade discounts is there. Otherwise we can record trade discount. Trade discounts is mentioned on the only on the invoice. Otherwise, we can't record in anywhere of financial statement trade discounts. Trade discount offered to customers to purchase more products. To motivate customer to purchase more and more products, business organization offer trade discounts. But cash discount, to collect cash as soon as possible, business offer cash discount. In the invoice, you can see a condition like this. Let's say 530 net 60. 530 on the invoice, you can see this kind of conditions. 530 net 60. What is that? You need to pay amount within 60 days. You need to pay amount within 60 days. But if you settle amount within 30 days, I will give you 5% discount. You need to pay the amount within 60 days. But if you settle the amount within 30 days, we will give you 5% discount. A cash discount. Cash discount. Here, but now here, discount allowed. Let's say I will explain like this. I will explain like this. Receivable from debtors. Debtors. From debtors need to collect 50,000. Need to collect 50,000 for our credit sales. Let's say for credit sales from debtors need to collect 50,000. And condition of the invoice is 1030 net 90. If you settle total amount within 90 days, you need to settle total amount within 90 days. But if you settle the amount within 30 days, I will give you 10% discount. Let's say within 30 days, customer paid to our business. Customer going to pay this amount to our business within 30 days. We inform them, if you settle this amount within 30 days, I will give you 10% discount. Based on that condition, now customer is going to pay us this 50,000. Yeah, basically then cash payment. And then on this condition, based on this condition, customer will pay only an amount after deducting 10%. After deducting 10%. After deducting 5,000. 50,000 into 10% is 5,000. After deducting 5,000, customer will pay us only 45,000. Only 45,000. Then what's available for that cash received? Cash receipt. For that cash receipt, cash book debit, received cash book debit 45,000. Debtor account credit 45,000. We received only 45,000. And then our balance 5,000. Discount allowed to customer. Discount allowed. Discount given to them. And expense of the business. Expense. And expense. Then how to record? Debtors account credit 5,000. Debtors account credit 5,000. Discount allowed. And then discount allowed accounting. Discount allowed accounting. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Discount allowed account debit. Discount allowed account debit. Debtors account debit. Now this is a double entry. Hello. Fine. Discount allowed account debit. debtors account credit. That's the answer. Then what is the answer for the question number 36? First one is answer, eh? First one.
Yes.
Right, first one is answer. Discount allowed account debit, debtors account credit. Right. Right, Lamai, question number 37. The total of the debit column of the trial balance was decreased by 7,000 of Chani textile as of 31 December 2019. This difference should be recorded as. Lamai, still we haven't discussed correction of errors. Lamai, still we haven't discussed correction of errors. The reason is Lamai, right, as we were unable to complete that chapter. Next month we can start, not next year, next month we have 3 days, 13, 20, yes, 27 now. 27 now I start in date of the exam, ne? Right. Now we will try to set an extra class, huh? I will inform you, huh? Extra class right. Tamai, still I haven't discussed correction of errors in the class, but Tamai, in March month we will start grade 11 syllabus. With grade 11 syllabus, Tamai, time to time I will explain correction of errors. Okay, right? Time to time I will explain correction of errors with grade 11 syllabus. Then you can get the then easily then it is easy to get the idea. Okay, normally to discuss correction of errors lesson, for me it takes my 4 days or 5 days. Okay, 2 hours class. It requires okay 2 hours class. So normally it will take 4 days or 5 days to discuss correction of errors lesson. But now we don't have time. Therefore, anyway, okay, while we discussing grade 11 syllabus, we will discuss correction of errors step by step. Okay, normally, for me, I can't explain you quickly correction of errors lesson. Why? Then you can't understand. Step by step, I will explain you correction of errors. Okay, to get the real idea. The reason is most of the students do not provide answers for the correction of error questions. But normally in my classes, students provide answers for the correction of errors. Therefore, step by step I will explain. Step by step I will explain the method of providing answers for correction of errors. Okay? To provide correction of errors, to provide answers for correction of errors, you should have a you should have a proper idea regarding double entries. Without having double entry knowledge, you can't provide answers for the correction of errors. Okay? Now, within 2 hours, I can't complete this lesson. Therefore, step by step, time to time, we will discuss correction of errors. I will explain you in detail correction of errors. Okay, right. Anyway, I will give you the answer for this question. Here, look at the answer, here. Look at the question 37. The total of the debit column of the trial balance was decreased by 7,000 of Chami textile as of 31 December 2019. This difference should be recorded as. Now here, normally you know we have discussed. If you properly pass double entries in ledger accounts, if you properly pass double entries in ledger accounts, trial balance should be equal. Now, if you properly pass double entries in trial balance, in ledger accounts, trial balance should be equal. Trial balance should be equal. Debit credit, trial balance should be equal. If you properly pass double entries. But if trial balance is not equal, In some situations, trial balance is not equal, not balance. Not balance. Trial balance is not balance. Let's say a total value of the debit side 50,000. Total value of the debit side 50,000. Let's say total value of the credit side 43,000. 43,000. Both sides not equal. Both sides not equal. Then definitely now if trial balance is not equal, definitely some errors have been occurred in the business. Some errors have been occurred when passing double entries. Some errors have been occurred. Errors will have been already passed. Some errors. Then, if trial balance is not equal, now you need to balance the trial balance to the higher side. Here, students, higher side is debit side 50,000. Higher side is 50,000. You need to balance trial balance to higher side 50,000. Then transfer this amount to credit side 50,000. You need to balance trial balance to the higher side. And then students, here there is a difference. Debit side total amount 50,000, but credit side total amount 43,000. Then there is a difference. That difference temporarily. Okay, you transfer this difference to a temporary account. Temporary account. The temporary account is called suspense account. Suspense account. To a suspense account. To a suspense account. Suspense account is a temporary account. Temporary account. You transfer this 7,000. You transfer this 7,000. Difference in the trial balance. Difference in trial balance. The difference in trial balance you transfer to suspense account. Before the preparation of financial statements, before the preparation of profit and loss statement and statement of financial position of the business, you need to find out this. You need to find out the reason for this difference. You need to find out the reason for this difference. Financial statement sadala kalin megara reason එක හොයාගන්න. ඒක reason එක හොයාගන්න. And then after finding out the reason for the difference, you need to remove this 7,000 from the suspense account. You need to remove this 7,000 from the suspense account. Okay, you need to remove this difference from the suspense account. Let me explain. I will take a simple example. Try to get the idea. Okay, try to get the idea. Here, let's say like this. Let's say like this. Simple example. Simple example. Right. Let's say cash sales 50,000. Cash sales 50,000. Then how to record cash sales? How to record cash sales? Cash sales 50,000. Cash sales, cash book debit 50,000 sales. Sales account debit 50,000 cash. Sales account debit 50,000 cash. This is a double entry for the cash sales. Cash book debit, sales account debit. Cash book debit, sales account debit. Let's say, in the sales account, accountant has recorded sales as 5,000. Without recording 50,000. Without recording it as 50,000. In the sales account, accountant has recorded that 50,000 as 5,000. 5,000 cash book debit 5,000, 50,000, sales account debit 5,000. Then let's say this is the only transaction occurred in the business. only one transaction is there of the business. Cash would have 50,000, sales account credit 12,000. Then if you prepare the trial balance of the business organization using this transaction, then cash trial balance debit 50,000, sales credit 5,000. Sales credit 5,000. Cash would debit 50,000, sales credit 5,000. Then here trial balance is not equal. Why? In the debit side 50,000, credit side 45,000. Sorry, credit side 5,000. Then you need to balance the trial balance in the higher side. Higher side, debit side 50,000. Then transfer this amount to credit side. And then here the difference is how much? Difference is 45,000. That 45,000 to transfer to a temporary account, that is called suspense account. Suspense account. What you have done, okay, you have some idea regarding correction of errors, because in most of the school the teachers have discussed this point. Okay, anyway, I will explain now. I will explain in detail. Okay, therefore you know suspense account. What is suspense account? Then you transfer this amount to a suspense account, a temporary account. Then my suspense account here credit. Then my suspense account also credit. Suspense account. My credit 45,000. Here difference in trial balance. Difference in trial balance 45,000. And then before the preparation of financial statements of the business organization, you need to remove this suspense account balance. You need to remove the difference in the trial balance. Without removing that difference, you can't prepare financial statements. You can, but then it is wrong. Then it is wrong. Let's say later you have identified that sales account is a sales account. Finally, they have recorded only 5,000. Without recording 50,000, they have recorded only 5,000. Then in the sales account, there is a short of 45,000. The issue is with the sales account. Okay, in the sales account, total amount should be 50,000, but now balance is only 5,000. Then that difference already you have transferred to suspense account, a temporary account. Tell how to correct this error? Suspense account debit 45,000. Suspense account debit 45,000. Temporary account debit 45,000. Sales account debit 45,000. Okay, now sales account debit 45,000. Suspense account debit 45,000. Like after passing this double entry, suspense account balance is eliminated. Now sales account total amount how much now? 50,000. 50,000. Sales account total balance is now 50,000. 50,000. And then now you can correct the trial balance. Now you can correct the trial balance. Sales amount is 50,000. Okay, right? That is a thing you need to know on the suspense account. Anyway, we will discuss later. Okay, right. Then what's the answer for this? Right, example here. My example for the question 37. Question 37. They say debit side total amount 43,000, credit side total amount 50,000. Then here, debit side balance. Decreased by 7,000. Decreased by 7,000. Then this 7,000 transfer to suspense account. Suspense account. Here, what's answer for the question 37? The difference should be recorded as a debit balance of the suspense account. 37 question. 37. That one is answer. Is it clear, Tani? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, right. Isra, is it clear, Isra? Right. Now, let me ask for the question number 38. Sorry. Answer for the question number 37. First one is answer. Right. Now, look at the question number 38. Paid employee salary of 15,000 of Lakshar business has been credited to cash account and also the salary account.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, isn't it the third one?
Question number 38.
37?
Yes. 37. 37. Debit balance of the suspense account. Third one is answer. Third one.
Yes.
Yes, right. Third one is answer. Right, now I look at the question number 38. Paid employee salary of Laksha's business has been credited to cash account and also the salary account. The general vector balance. Lamai, in this question, there is no answer. Lamai make an answer. Make it. There is no answer for this question. Right, let me explain. Let me explain. There is no answer for this question. Lamai answer the question 38. Here, look at the question 38. Look at the question 38. Paid employee salary 15,000 of Lakshar business has been credited to cash account and also salary account. Lamai, payment of salary 15,000. Cash book credit 15,000. Cash book credit 15,000 and then my salary account debit 15,000. This is the correct double entry. If you paid salary, that's a double entry. That's a double entry. Cash book credit salary account debit. That's a double entry. That should be the double entry. But here, what they have done? This payment of 15,000, they have credited to salary account. Cash book credit as well as to the salary account, they have credited this 15,000. Part of this 15,000 need to debit to salary account. But what they have done, they have credited to salary account. Salary account debit. Because of this error, trial balance is not equal by 30,000. Now I trial balance credit side 30,000, debit side 0. Trial balance credit side 30,000, debit side 0. Trial balance is not equal. Then now debit side 0, then definitely that 30,000 you transfer to a suspense account. Debit 30,000 suspense account. Suspense account, debit account. The price is the trial balance. Suspense account debit. Then how to correct this error? When you correct in this error, now anyway cash account credit, that is correct. Cash credit, that is correct. But now here, salary account you can't credit. Salary account you can't credit. And then in accounting, if some error is occurred in financial system, then that error you need to correct through double entries. If something happened, if an error occurred, if an error happened, then that error you need to correct through double entries. You can't erase this one. You can't erase. Then how to correct this error? Now, to the salary account, you need to debit total 30,000. To remove this 50,000, you need to debit 150,000, 15,000. And then to record correct salary payment, you need to debit another 15,000. Altogether, you need to debit 30,000 to salary account. To remove this 15,000, you need to debit 150,000. And another 15,000 you need to debit to record correct salary expense. Altogether, you need to debit total 30,000. Then suspense account credit 30,000. Suspense account credit 30,000. Salary account debit 30,000. That is a double. That's a double. Salary account debit, suspense account credit. That's a double. Okay, suspense account credit, salary account debit, that's a double. Then lamai for the question number 38. For the question number 38 lamai lamai go to question second answer. Lamai second answer, you can adjust second answer like this. Salary account debit 30,000, suspense account credit 30,000. And then lamai take the answer as second one. Salary account debit 30,000, suspense account credit 30,000. Clear? Monali clear the Monali. Tanvi, is it clear, Tanvi?
Yes.
Yes. Pavitran clear? Pavitran?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Now look at the question 39. Equipment repair expense of 14,000 has been debited to equipment account. This should be correct as. Now what's the answer for the question 39? Now no need to learn the correction of errors. If you have the double entry knowledge, you can provide the answer for this question. How to correct this error? Now what's the answer for the question 39? Sarah, what's the answer, Sarah?
Second one.
Madesh, what's the answer, Madesh?
Second one.
Yes, Tisasa, your answer is correct, right? Yes, now my second one is answer. Second one. Second one. Here. Yes, equipment repair 14,000 has to be debited to equipment account. Then my equipment account credit, repair account debit. Okay, repair account debit, equipment account credit. Now my second one is answer. Equipment repair account debit, equipment account credit. Yes, now my second one is answer. Right. Now my last question for the day. Last question for the day. Select the incorrect statement relates to trial balance. Here, what's the answer for the question with the 40?
First one.
Huh?
First one.
First one. Can we confirm the values debited to the accounts are equal to the values credited to the trial account? Sorry, it is the ledger or no? Confirm the right? Yes, summary of the ledger. Can we confirm that the values debited to the accounts are equal to the values credited? What's the answer for the question 40?
Second one.
Second one. Right. What about others? Now I answer for the question number 40. Last question for the day. What's the answer?
Second one. Second one.
Second one. Right. What others? Now any other answers? Any other answers? Now
Second one.
second one. Right, Lamai here. Can we confirm the values debited to the account are equal to the values credited to the account?
First
Okay.
one.
Right, and then second one. Look at the second one. Look at the second one. Right. And then look at second one. Right. Second one. It is a ledger account. I mean, first one also correct. Right. Second one. It is a ledger account have been balanced. Yes. No. it is ledger accounts have been balanced correct. Yeah, that is also correct. Third one, it is confirmed if the total of the debit column is equal to the total of the credit column of the column, the bookkeeping is correct.
Correct.
It is more list of balances and could be considered as our
Sir.
most possible answer is third one. First one also okay. Second one also correct. Okay. Fourth one also okay. It is better to get the. It is confirmed that the total of the debit column is equal to the total of the credit column. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
But sir, isn't the total of the debit column is equal to the total of the credit column?
Yes. It means say the here Lamai. Sorry, answer is sorry, incorrect statement. Yes. Lamai, third one is answer. Incorrect statement. Sorry, incorrect statement. No, the first one correct. Second one also correct. Fourth one also Lamai correct. Here incorrect statement. Total of the debit column is equal to the total of the credit column. Here the bookkeeping is correct. No, bookkeeping. Both whether the Lamai sometimes trial balance is equal, but Lamai trial balance does not explain the bookkeeping is correct. Lamai bookkeeping correct trial balance. Sometimes Lamai trial balance is equal, okay, but although the trial balance is equal, we can't express bookkeeping is correct. We can't express it as bookkeeping is correct. By the way, sometimes there may be some errors in accounting process. Third one is answer. Incorrect statement. Incorrect one is third. First one correct. Second one also correct. Third, fourth one also correct. Incorrect statement is fourth. Third one. Okay. Third one is yes. Third one is answer. Fine. Fine. Enough for the day. Enough for the day. Next day we will start. Next day we will start balance part. Right. Lamai, try to do second paper at home. We'll discuss the second paper in the class in next day. But if you have time, try to complete second paper at home. Then it is easy to discuss. Okay, next day we'll quickly complete, and then we'll try to set some extra class in this week. No, not in this week. In the next week we'll try to do some extra class. Okay, I think 27th you have exam. 27th you have exam. Therefore, we have only one day. 20th we can do the class, and after 20th we'll try to do some extra class. Okay, we'll try. We'll try. Right. Now we'll stop for the day. Try to do the second paper at home. Right. Right. Good night. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Very much.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Okay. Good night. Okay.